this is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable notifications on Firefox using an Android device. Let me jump over to my Android device here. I am on my Android device now, and I have the Firefox app opened up. To enable or disable notifications in Firefox, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner and tap on the three-dot hamburger menu. Then you want to tap on Settings. Now on this screen here, you want to tap on Site Permissions. And then right in here, Notifications. I'm going to tap on Notifications. And by default, Ask to Allow is probably toggled on. To block notifications, you would toggle on the bottom one, Blocked. That's your choices there. The top one is Allow, and the bottom one is Blocked. Thanks for watching.